This is Manoj from Team Creator Maniacs. I will be talking on behalf of my fellow colleagues and take you through this amazing project, notice board application. First of all, I would like to thank the entire Zoho Creator team for giving us this wonderful opportunity to explore the creator in ourselves through this hackathon. We would also like to thank our college staffs who arranged this wonderful event. First, we will be looking on to the user interface. We would like to show the user interface of the application, which consists of 4 sections: number of events, number of exams, canteen menu for the day, and bus routes for the day. We have also included the calendar and details to make the user interface more appealing and user-friendly. User can basically use both to get complete information of the happenings for the day. Students can also order food via the notice board. This sums up our user interface. We have used inbuilt Zoho Creator sign in and sign up to assign privileges based on their specific role. Next, we'll be looking on to the working of our application. Our application is categorized into 7 sections. They are student management, staff management, event management, subject management, exam management, canteen management, and bus route management. I would like to explain each of the workflows separately so that you will get an idea of how bulletin board functions. First is student management. Students will be requested to fill out the form, which contains name, register number, email ID, mobile number, degree, department, year, semester, and gender. These records will be used by the administrator or faculties to organize events or remind them of the upcoming events or upcoming exams. Under no circumstances, these informations will be misused. These informations will be stored as a report in Zoho Creator in the name of student management, which can be retrieved later for the upcoming forms. The second is staff management. This form consists of name of the staff, department that is computer science engineering, electronics and communication engineering, mechanical engineering, and electrical and electronics engineering, and staff email, staff position in the essence of HOD, professor, and assistant professor, which can be assigned only by the administrator. These records will be carried out in all staff management reports. This data will be used in event management to show which faculty is organizing the event. The next is event management. In this, event name, event guide, event department, date and time of the event, and status of the event will be given through this form by the faculty or administrator. The event in these fields are transferred to all event management report, and we also created a calendar report which was used to preview the data. Okay. The next is subject management. This form simply contains the data of faculties, subjects undertaken. This form access is given only to the administrator who assigns the subject schedule for the staff. The information is stored in all staff management report. That's it about subject management. The next is examination details. This form is accessible only to faculties and administrators who plans and conducts the examination on the given date. The form consists of exam subject name, exam department name, exam date, and exam status. The data will be obtained from subject report and staff report and will be displayed automatically on the dashboard depending on the subjects. Next is canteen management. We have included a menu and special dishes for each day as pre-planned by the administrative department. This form consists of dish name, rate, and item category. Item category is breakfast, snacks, and lunch. This will be updated on the dashboard by the administrator on daily basis. Canteen order. Here, students can order the food by selecting the name in the menu provided by the administrator, mentioning the required quantity. The form itself automatically generates the subtotal and grand total for the ordered dishes. When the user clicks the ordered form button in the dashboard, they are directed to here. Finally, bus routes. The form has the following fields: bus route number, route name, starting time, route type, that is direct or combined. Combined route is nothing but the buses will travel nearer to the destined route instead of the destined route itself. This updated. This is updated daily by the administration department.
Now, let us look at the workflow that we have created to mention the exam completion status. In this workflow, the scheduled exam which has been created and is being held and also completed, there will be a change in the record, that is the exam status which is completed, there will be a filter change in the dashboard, that is it will change into green color. Next, the workflow that we are going to see is exam reminder alert, that is when an exam has been scheduled by the staff, there will be an email citing that this exam has been scheduled, please prepare well. This email will be sent to each and every student. Next workflow that we are going to see is exam reminder. This exam reminder is that when there is an exam that has been scheduled, there will be a reminder mail sent to students 2 days before the scheduled exam date. Next, the workflow that we are going to see is event management report. That is event completion. I'm sorry. This is the event completion. This workflow will be working that when there is an event that has been held and completed, there will be an updation in the dashboard citing that this event has been held, conducted successfully and completed. And the next workflow will be event reminder. Now, when there is an event that has been scheduled, either it has been the symposium or college event that has been scheduled to be conducted by the college, there will be an email that will be sent to each and every student mentioning that this type of event has been scheduled. Kindly please attend. This is the workflow that have been created for the event reminder.
We came to the conclusion part. Teamwork beats hard work. I would like to thank my teammates who also played a vital role in completing this application. In the past 3 days, we have worked together as a team and understood what teamwork really means. If it wasn't for one of us, it would be really difficult to complete this notice board application. Our college staff kept motivating us to practice Zoho Creator and to participate in the hackathon so that we can gain utmost knowledge, which will also help us in our future endeavors. Finally, I would like to mention the teammates and their work splits. Dashboard section is done by Mahendran. Canteen management section is done by Naren and myself. Event management section is done by Kishore and Mahendran. Exam management section is done by Prasanna Venkatesh Sharma and Naren. Subject management section is done by Manoj and Kishore. Staff management section is done by Kishore and Naren. Bus route section is done by Mahendran and Prasanna Venkatesh Sharma. Student management section is done by myself and Prasanna. We would like to express our heartfelt gratitude for giving us this wonderful opportunity to participate in this hackathon. Thank you.